Hello darlings, for today's video I'm creating a Frankenstein inspired look. First, we're blocking out the brows using Elmers washable glue stick. I like to apply a few layers, letting each one dry before going in with the next. Once they're completely set, I go in with powder to lock everything in place and dust away the excess. Next, we're painting the base, using the Mayron Paradise AQ Basic and Tropical palettes. First, I'm painting a couple sections of my face and neck white and the rest green. This is the lime color from the Tropical palette. I'm using paint brushes from Amazon and working in sections to ensure I have an opaque, smooth base. Now moving on to the eyes, I'm using Plouise base to prime the lids. On the white side, I'm creating a dramatic black smoky eye, and on the green side, I'm going for a matching green look. I'm using the Morphe 35C palette and a mix of gray, black, green, and dark green colors. Starting with a transition shade, deepening the crease with a darker tone, and doing the same to my bottom lash line as well. For shimmer, I'm dipping into the SheGlam Rick and Morty palette. I'm applying a metallic silver on the white side and a beautiful green shimmer on the green side. Now that the paint is dry, I set everything with the Mayron colorset translucent powder to prevent any smudging. Now let's add the fun details that make this look come alive. Using black paint, I'm drawing thin, slightly arched brows, and with red paint, I'm creating jagged lines across the face and neck to mimic open wounds or stitched seams. To give the wounds more depth, I'm taking a gray eyeshadow and blending a soft shadow around each line. Next, I'm adding small shadow circles along the shaded lines. These will be the holes where our staples will go. Then, with black paint, I'm connecting the holes, creating staple-like lines. I like to smudge the ends of each black line just a little to make them look deeper and more dimensional. After that, I'm adding highlights with white paint to make the staples look 3D. Moving back to the eyes, I'm curling my lashes and applying Buxom's Blackest Black Mascara. Then I'm adding Kiss Lashes in Disco Groovy for that full dramatic effect, followed by their Powerline eyeliner in LBD to tightline and define the bottom lash line, and topping it off with another coat of mascara on my bottom lashes. Now for the lips, I'm outlining with the Beaute Bakerie Lollipop Liner, which is an easier alternative to the water-activated paint, so you worry less about eating and drinking throughout the day. Now for the finishing touches, I'm putting on my wig cap and then a black and white wig from SHEIN. After that, I'm setting my face with the Kryolan fixing spray to lock everything in place and applying Buxom's Vava Plump lipstick in Boldly Go for a bold, glossy red lip. Finally, it's time for contacts. I'm wearing Pollyye's red contact lens in the green eye and TTDeye gritting white contacts in the white eye to really bring this monster to life. And that completes this Frankenstein look. Let me know if you're excited about the new movie in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!